let's have some fun. We have a mission. Back in December, I bought myself this CINEBOT. To be exact, it's the CINEBOT 30 from GEPRC. And just to make it clear, this video is not sponsored or anything. I will just try the CINEBOT out. And yeah, some information about the quad. It's the 6S version, and the only purpose why I bought the 6S version is so I can use my old batteries from the NAS school, so I won't have to buy new batteries for the CINEBOT. And with the 6S version you have a little bit more power, and my goal is to test the CINEBOT or to fly the CINEBOT with the GoPro, with a full-size GoPro on, with the one I'm just filming. And so I guess it's better if you have a little bit more power with the 6S version, and yeah, but we will see. It's the HD version with the DJI 03 unit inside, and it's the CINEBOT 30, it's a 3-inch frame, and yeah, it has some LED stripes around it. I actually don't know how to turn those off. I set it up back in December, the quad, and yesterday when I tried to adjust my rates, I saw that it deleted everything, so I had to adjust all the stats overnight, and the only thing I couldn't repair is how to turn off the LED lights, but I guess that's fine. So today's mission, we have three things I want to test. I want to try different rates, as I don't know what the perfect rates are for this CINEBOT. I want to test it to fly it with the GoPro on, and I forgot. I guess I only have two missions: try the rates and try the flight with the GoPro, but I guess that's fine. Okay, as I already said, I want to try it first without the GoPro because I don't know how it will behave, as it deleted everything last night. So you will only see the footage from the goggles, because the problem is how the unit is built in the drone. It's actually so hard to put a SD card in the 03, so I will just show you the footage from my goggles, but I guess it's fine. Oh. I guess I don't work. Okay, so I will plug it in, and then we will see if it will fly or not. Okay, I hope you see it. Have to wait. Now it should be okay. It's working. Okay, so the first rate profile I will try. I don't know where I have it from, but I will show you in the screen. I guess I found it on YouTube or something, but I'll try it. I hope it won't crash like last time I tested it, but we will see. Okay, first problem: motors aren't turning the right way. I'll have to adjust this in better flight. I'll be right back. Okay, what I did now, I have here my setup. I changed in beta flight the direction of the motors. Two motors were spinning in the wrong direction, and hopefully now it works. Test 2. Alright. I removed one of my seats from the van here, as you can see. So, as the floor has a lot of gravel on it, I'm a little bit afraid that it will destroy the motors, so just to start a little bit better. Okay, test 2. Okay, first I will test it in angle mode. So I'll see if it will fly normally, as I saw it doesn't. Okay, the acro mode works, but the angle mode somehow doesn't. I guess that's because of the telemetry that isn't set up properly. I'll test out this and come back later. Okay, I hope now it works. Let's find out. Okay, now let's test out some tricks. Works perfectly fine. Okay, nice. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the rates. I don't know if I even want to try the other ones, but of course I will. But I like these rates. They are, you have the control to fly really slow. Yeah, the gap I just flew through isn't that small, but still I think I have the control that I need to fly through tinier gaps. And yeah, I will try the other ones now. I have 2 other ones to test, and then we will try it with a GoPro. Battery number 2 and rate setting number 2. And this setting is special because the jaw setting is way more sensible, so it's way slower. Yeah, I guess that one I found on the internet from a YouTuber, I guess. I'll tell you the name if I will find it out. So this rate, I already tested it out as well, but not as long. So I will test it out again. Let's see. And I won't film my reaction now because I can't talk and fly at the same time. So you will just see the footage from my goggles. Okay, I just did a short testing and maybe I was wrong before. Maybe the jaw settings aren't less sensible but more sensible. I felt the drone reacted more to my stick movement, and I thought I couldn't control it as much as the first rates. Maybe just because it's -2 degrees. But comparing the 2 rates, I think I like the first one more. But of course I will try to test out the other ones as well. Now let's move on to the 3rd rate setting, and yeah, let's see how that is. Now the 3rd setting, I guess that one is quite the same as with my Nazgul, the bigger one, 5-inch. Yeah, let's see how the CINEBOT behaves with those rates. pretty happy with those. I think those ones are one of my favorites. I mean, you can fly way more aggressive with them, and probably I like them the most because I already flew them on the NAS school. But I think with the first one, as I flew under the bench, with the first one I would have even more control. So I will test again the first rates, and try to fly under the bench, and let's see how that one goes. So I again tested the first rates. I mean, first and third rates are pretty the same, and the rates are always a personal preference. So I guess I will stick to the first ones I tested, and if I stick to those, and if I will fly many flights, I mean, I will get to know them better. And yeah, I mean, you can fly with every rate. If you're a good pilot, you can fly with every rate. But I guess I will stick to rates number 1, to those. And yeah, now tested the CINEBOT with the GoPro. Okay, now full-size GoPro on, GoPro 12 to be exact. I got the GoPro mount. I didn't get it from the online store from GEPRC. I just downloaded a file that I found on the internet, and then a friend printed it out for me on the 3D printer. So let's see. I guess I will need way more throttle, and yeah, hopefully I won't destroy the GoPro or the cinewhoop. It's quite heavy, so we will see how it will behave. Gloves back on. That was way better than I thought. I mean, in the top right corner of my OSD in the goggles, you see how much % throttle I need to to give in so the quad will fly. And if you compare it to the flights without GoPro, it's not even that much more throttle that I need to give. So of course the quad screams, and probably it's not the best thing to do, but if you want to fly indoors, so property shots or anything like that, I mean, it's quite good. Flies perfectly fine. I didn't have a problem to control it, except the cold fingers, but that's the weather. But I think this is really a good option if you want to fly indoor shots, fly through tiny gaps, and if I don't just want the footage from the 03 unit, yeah, quite a good option. I will try a different pack again, and let's see. Got scared. Mission accomplished. Tested everything I wanted. Now I hope for some warmer weather to try it out even more. Yeah, if you want to share your thoughts or your CINEBOT rates in comments, I'd be quite happy. Make sure to follow. See you in the next one. Standing strong.